Multiply 12.5 by 40 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 4. Start one place to the left. 4 times 5 is 20. Put 0 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 5. The second partial product is 5,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the thousands column, bring down 5. The product of the whole numbers is 5,000. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 5,000 becomes 500.0. That is simply 500. So 12.5 times 40 is 500.